In this video, we will learn how to create reports using the AI Report Builder in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. The AI Report Builder helps HR teams create reports using simple natural language prompts, eliminating the need to manually build complex report configurations or SQL queries. To begin, go to the side navigation panel and click on the Analytics menu. From the list of submenus, select Reports. This will open the Reports page, displaying all the reports available in your system. Now, click on the AI Report Generator button. This will open the Report Builder interface. Here, you can simply describe the report you want in plain language. For example, type the prompt, "Show salary report for all active employees." Once you submit the prompt, the AI engine will analyze your request and automatically prepare the report configuration. Once the report is generated, the AI provides several helpful sections to explain how the report has been created. The Summary section gives you a quick overview of the report and its purpose. The What You Will See section explains the fields and data that will be displayed in the report. The Assumptions section highlights any assumptions the AI has made while generating the report. Additionally, the Explore More section suggests follow-up prompts that you can use to further refine, customize, or expand the report based on your requirements. The generated report configuration will be displayed side by side for review. You can modify settings such as exclude user groups, filters, and other report parameters as required. Below the configuration area, you can also view the generated SQL query and the report data preview. This allows you to verify that the report is returning the expected information before saving it. Once you are satisfied with the report configuration and results, click on the Save Report button. The report will be saved and become available in your reports list for future use. That's it. You now know how to create reports using the AI Report Builder in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.